Yeah, they are Rahu and Ketu. They're called Rahu and Ketu. They are like these objects which are discs in the sky which create the eclipses. Okay, and they have their own meanings, like why these things, and these things are connected to your ancestors, your past karmas, whatever actions you've done in the past, and the actions you're going to do in the present and future. So like, because sun and moon are like time, they define time for you. Okay, sun comes out and every day it goes and that thing, and moon comes out and every day it goes and it creates time.
Yeah.
Okay, sense of time. Okay, sun and moon are your time things. Okay, and then there are things which are dealing, which is the present time. Sun and moon create the present, right now time. Okay, for you. Okay, like, and there are things like these discs are dealing with time which is already past and which is to come. So they are dealing with future and past, and while sun and moon are dealing with the right now, the present, like they create the right now for you. Okay, and to me there is no dark side of the moon. Moon is the same on both sides. Like it is a, like a light bulb, like there's no dark side to the moon. Okay, so that is like, if you take it as a ball and there's sun's light falling on this side and there's no light falling on that side, then that creates the dark side of the moon. But there is no dark side. If moon is a self-illuminated, it doesn't have a dark side.
Could it be a ball in the sky? Like, could it be a ball, the moon?
It's not a ball. Okay, I can tell you that. It's not a sphere.
It's not a sphere? Like...
No, it's not a sphere. Okay, let me just put like
Yeah.
Even if you like a plate, yeah, like if you have a plate, even if you have a biscuit, you can see more of like a biscuit even in this, like okay, like yeah, I mean, but not everything is not a ball. Okay, this ball thing has just gone into people. Just because something is round, there's a huge difference between something which is round and a sphere. Okay,
Yeah.
sphere is a like a this kind of thing. Round is round. People like, I'd say, earth is round, earth is round. Yeah, it can be. Round is different. Okay, round is different, sphere is totally different. People have to understand the word round is different from sphere.
Yeah.
That thing, like, not like, these things are not balls. Like nothing is a ball. There's no grahas, no moon, no sun. Sun is not a ball. So let alone moon
when
being
it
a ball.
comes to the sun, it comes a bit mysterious also. Like, I always in mind that it's like some kind of a projection from the source.
Projection. I mean, if you look at even if you look at your projector, in a projector, if you have a projector, you see, look at the screen, that thing, that projector thing is not a sphere. It's just a glass plate. Like, it's like a round glass. That, yeah, it's not a ball. Like you don't need that thing.
Yeah,
Like
it's
a
like
ball
if you
to
take a flashlight and you put the flashlight on some kind of paper or a Scott Tower or anything, you will see the sun, that same reflection on this. So could it just be but all this becomes so mysterious because
but one should not speculate. But I'm just saying, like, people should avoid speculation. It should always come down to, like, first, like, everything is not a ball. Like, that is just a like misnomer which has been put into people's mind by all this mind programming. Everything, because when earth is a ball, then this has to be a ball and that has to be a ball and everything has to be a ball. Like, like, it's a, like, and there's so many balls right now. There's a football, there is a like, there is a baseball, there is a
basketball, football.
Like, okay, so there are so many balls around that people get okay, but people should think more in terms of plates as well. There are plates, if you take a plate, like a steel plate, you can put water in it, and then you'll see that there's ocean. That's like ocean. You can put mud in between. That's like continents. Okay, you can think in terms of plates too. You don't have to think in terms of balls all the time. There are things called plates as well, not just balls. Okay, like, so, like, people have just been programmed to think more in terms of balls. Everything is a ball, like, which you can kick around, like it's like a football or
It's a collective programming. I think we're lost into collective programming, that thinking everything around us is a sphere, but it's easy also to make believe people that it's a sphere because your vision, you don't see a 3D. I only see in 2 dimension. So, you never really have the certainty that
okay. And if you look at a sunset in a tropical land like India or any places in tropical places, if you see a sunset when sun actually doesn't loses its glow, it doesn't have any. You can look at the sun at the sunset very clearly. Like, you get to see the sun. It doesn't have any brightness to it. It doesn't give out, like in the west, like in northern latitude.
Rays.
Intense rays. So you can actually look at it very nicely and easily. It's like an orange. It's like orange in the sky. Like, it's like an orange thing. And then you can see it's like flat. Like, you can see its flatness. You because a sphere will have a curve like this on the front, like that. But you can see its actual flatness. when you look at it. Oh, this is only possible near the equator where it's more tropical and stuff. It's not possible in more northern, that thing. It's because the sun, even at sunset, sun is blazing in like Canada and stuff, like where you are, like it's still blazing at the sunset time. It's never turns into this orange ball, like, which you get in tropical, that things.
No, for
So
sure.
like
The behavior of the behaving of the sun, behavior of the sun is very mysterious also, because what we're told when you go into a CGI 2.0, which is flat
yeah.
Earth, they bring you into that explanation that it's even on the desert it gets small, which is not true, because
No,
the
no,
sun
nothing,
is
none
all,
of that. None of that is true. Like this becomes
yeah,
small or big out there. That is not true. Like, I mean,
no,
it is all different every time. Like, I mean, I have seen a lot of sunsets in my life, and I've like thousands and thousands and thousands of them, and I can tell. And I've seen them from all over the different points, like from America down to south, to Australia down to the central equator, and I've seen them everywhere, and it's always different. And it's like there's no specific pattern